Hi everybody, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to recover deleted call recording, and I will show you A to Z guideline. You can recover your deleted call recording after seeing this video. First of all, you have to go your Play Store. You can see here this is my Play Store, so just click on Play Store. It's okay. Next, at the top of the side you can find here search option, so just search here audio recovery, and it's loading. In the first row you can find here audio recovery, so just click on it and install it. So after installing the audio recovery, just click on open, and it's opening. Then just click on allow, and you can find here a number of options, that is recovery method 1 and under development, quick instructions, and view recorded audio, delete recovered audio. So just follow the first one, that is recovery method 1. So just click on it. Algorithm 1, press start to begin recording media using the first algorithm. Algorithm 1 is fast and effective, so just click on start button, and you can see here that is recovering media using fast algorithm. And it's done. Next, just click on finish. Sorry guys, this adds. Then at the bottom of the side you can find here view recovered audio, so just click on it, and you can see here those kind of audio I just recovered. If you want to watch this audio, I'm in your phone memory, so just go to phone. So right now if you want to find it, just go to that is file manager. It's okay. Next you have to go phone storage, next all file, and you can find here all recovered audio, so just click on it. You can see here that is those are audio I just recovered right now.